forced to refer patients for abortions and to talk about the benefits of abortion. Well, that's what medical professionals are mandated by law to do in Illinois, even those working in pro-life pregnancy centers.
Passed in 2016, the law has been on hold while pro-lifers pursue a legal challenge. After 6 long years, they finally had their day in court. Caitlin Burke reports.
This law is really about the government of Illinois attempting to coerce individuals who are medical professionals and pro-life pregnancy centers, compel them to say something that violates their deeply held religious convictions regarding life.
The Illinois law required pro-life centers and doctors to not only refer patients out for abortions, but also talk about the benefits. In 2017, just 1 year after the law passed, a federal court issued an injunction halting its enforcement. Kevin Theriot, an attorney with Alliance Defending Freedom, says it's time to put the issue to rest once and for all.
There's no baseline thing that requires medical professionals who have a conscientious objection to abortion to talk about its benefits or refer people for it, and that would violate the First Amendment to the United States Constitution.
Similar laws have been challenged in other states. Theriot says the Supreme Court already set precedent for this back in 2018 with National Institute of Family and Life Advocates v. Becerra.
It's really the same question, and that is whether the government can target an individual because of their religious convictions and make them violate those religious convictions. And so we're cautiously optimistic that this court is going to agree with NIFLA versus Becerra and say that that's binding.
Theriot says this is about both free speech and religious freedom. And on multiple occasions, the High Court has held that an individual cannot be compelled to say something that goes against their deepest convictions. The Free Exercise Clause of the First Amendment also says a person cannot be targeted by the government for their religious beliefs. A ruling on this case is expected early next year, but in the meantime, that injunction halting enforcement of the law still stands. Caitlin Burke, CBN News, Washington.
Thanks for watching CBN News on YouTube.
If you'd like to see more news from a Christian perspective, visit cbn.com/give to become a partner.